What if I told you that transforming your life doesn't require a complete overhaul but simply adopting a few smart habits? These habits can help you unlock your full potential and achieve your goals faster than you ever imagined. Intrigued? Let's explore the 7 smart habits that can truly transform your life. Success doesn't come from luck. It comes from the habits you build. The little things you do every day shape your future in powerful ways. In this video, we'll dive into 7 smart habits that can create a ripple effect of positive change in your life. These habits are simple yet incredibly effective, and by the end of this video you'll have actionable steps to start implementing them right away. 1. Start your day with a purpose. How you start your day sets the tone for everything else. Intelligent people don't leave this to chance. They begin their mornings with intention. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or planning, having a clear purpose each morning boosts productivity and focus. Practical tip: spend 10 minutes each morning identifying your top priorities for the day. Write them down and keep them visible. Embrace continuous learning. Smart people know that the world is constantly evolving, and staying stagnant is not an option. They actively seek knowledge, whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or learning from others. This habit keeps their mind sharp and adaptable. Practical tip: set aside 30 minutes daily to learn something new, a new skill, a chapter of a book, or an educational podcast. 3. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is a game changer. By focusing on what you're thankful for, you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. This habit not only improves your mental health, but also strengthens your relationships and increases overall happiness. Practical tip: before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Over time, you'll notice a positive shift in your perspective. 4. Prioritize physical and mental health. Your body and mind are the foundations of everything you do. Smart people make their health a priority by exercising regularly, eating balanced meals, and taking care of their mental well-being through practices like mindfulness and therapy. Practical tip: incorporate 30 minutes of physical activity into your daily routine, even if it's just a walk. 5. Build meaningful relationships. Success isn't a solo journey. Intelligent people nurture relationships that inspire and support them. They understand the value of surrounding themselves with positive, like-minded individuals who push them to grow. Practical tip: reach out to someone you admire or care about and schedule time to connect. Deepening these bonds can open doors to personal and professional growth. Yet reflect and adjust regularly. One of the smartest habits is self-reflection. Taking the time to assess what's working and what isn't allows you to make necessary adjustments and stay on track. Practical tip: schedule a weekly review to evaluate your progress and plan for the week ahead. Ask yourself, what did I achieve? What could I improve? Transforming your life doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent changes can lead to massive results. By starting your day with purpose, embracing lifelong learning, practicing gratitude, prioritizing your health, building meaningful relationships, managing your time effectively, and reflecting regularly, you're setting yourself up for success. Which of these habits will you start working on today? Let me know in the comments.